Everyone, I am David Hoja, founder and CEO of Parrots Inc. And we have hardware agnostic platform for people with neurological disorders, giving them smart voice and telecare. And we have been pleased to join Expert Dojo and be part of the cohort of the healthcare in 2022. It was great experience, and we learned a lot of things from many mentors and advisors. We got support in business, marketing, and fundraising. We got a lot of introductions to many investors and even new partners joining us as healthcare providers and intro to the industry and market and insurance expert. And we're happy to be part of Expert Dojo, and we thank them so much. Thank you so much.